Hello. Let me just see if we are live yet. Oh my god, what is this shit? We are, yeah. Let me just open this here. Guess what are we doing here today? So we are module and library. Uh, Adding module support. Okay. Probably use some. Makes sense. Let me just post it here as well. Uh, all right, let's start. So I want to take a look how modules are built in LLVM before we even jump there. We are already using modules, obviously, like you'll have to use some sort of modules before uh, jumping ahead. So here, yeah, see, so we are adding obviously the function to the current module, but what we're supposed to do is compiler mod rs. So we are basically using one single module. So we don't have any context of or declaring any custom modules in our language at all. So there's only one module, which is main module, which is not even, if you just open something like this, I'm not really showing it anywhere that it's a main module, something like this. So that's the plan today. Let's see how it goes. Hmm. Okay, so for the first change that we need to do is obviously adding the module context to our Lexer. So how do I want to make it look like though? That's my question. Do I want to make it look like something like this? I have like mod essentially. Probably. How do we do that in Zig though? I don't know. Modules and Zig. I just want. Oh, okay. Yeah. Around this. Nah, I don't like that. Hmm. Okay. Package. That does not look good at all. Module, something. Yeah, yeah, I think this is better. I think I'll go with module right now. We can change it obviously later. So, module, token kind module, yeah. I don't think I have it yet. Module. And I would need the module name as well, right? So I'll write that in parser. So in AST. Hmm. I've not worked on this for a while, so I've sort of forgotten like where, what are we even doing? Oh yeah, right. It would be here. Token matches. Hmm. So I'll probably write here. Parse module new itself. Parse result. Okay, how did I write the other ones? So starting position, like obviously I would expect so I would expect token kind module, yeah. So token name, I mean module name. So self.expect identifier. I guess that's about it. What else do we need in the module? Nothing else, I guess. Yeah, it's a statement. So module declaration. So I'll just add this struct just to obviously we haven't declared anything on it, so construct module declaration. Sounds good, sounds good. This also should be a macro. That's for another day anyway. So yep. What sound is this? I don't want this sound. What should we play? Let's play some Oasis. So okay, so now it should be able to parse at least. Do I need anything else? Obviously I would need the implementation for that. So I guess there are some errors. Oh yeah. Okay. So, yep. Non-exhaustive patterns. Yeah. So if it's module declaration, so statement module declaration mod m dot walk map here. I would need a module declaration as well. I mean, there won't be any type here, so I don't know why do we need. I mean, the way it's designed, we would need another struct anyway. So I have so many passes in this compiler. Okay, so struct type module. Right, so type return statement module declaration. Yeah, right. What else? What else? What else? Let's just fill up the simple stuff right now. So we just have to make sure it just passes. So we will cover the implementation later. Okay. So what is this? What the fuck is this? Estimation token length. Okay. Damn. Token kind module. Okay, why do we need this? I don't remember at all. Oh damn. I mean, in this case, we'll have to go to the new line anyway. So, okay, this is in the parser, right? So, I guess we'll need to add in the token kind. Or what kind of module it is. I mean, but it doesn't make sense to track this here. Why did I even do this? I don't remember at all, man. It's been a while, honestly. Whatever. Okay, pass keyword or identifier. Huh. Oh. If it's a module, the next token, okay, the next token would be after module, right? So, okay, so how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's just see if it works. So it'll be 6. So, what else? What else? Okay, this will do anyway. So, what the next one? Okay. Self of module declaration. Okay, what? Okay. Okay, let's just do this. I guess this will be the only last one that's left. Yup. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, so let's just write a example of how would it work. So I'll just write it as modules or hd module it's something example, right? So you have your main. By the way, we have syntax highlighting from the last stream. Doesn't it look cool? Doesn't it look cool? It still does not recognize a lot of things. I got bored last time when I started doing it. So, see, it recognizes int, it recognizes function, but I need to color this with something, right? It shouldn't be white, so it's not doing that right now. So, I'm not sure. I got bored last time. Even the returns don't work for some reason. Oh, it is working. Damn, I thought it wasn't. But, cool, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so returns work. Okay, so Hades, do we have a print days yet? Otherwise we'll have to add it. Check is basically print AST. Nah. Need to add the command. I just need the path, so same thing. But so print is the args. Print is the no. Let's play some Metallica. Or this. All these things have to fundamentally change because I'm adding modules now. So need to figure out how to do that. So this basically AST. So you do this. Yes. Yeah, that's what I wanted anyway. So thanks, Copilot. Need the context. So how else will I pass this? So, oh yeah, if I'm not compiling anything, I don't need to pass any context anyway. So I don't even need to create. What? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh damn, why am I passing source everywhere here? I'm already damn, okay. It's a late realization. Yes. So I usually do a cargo install, so so instead of like doing a target bin and all that, I just have to just run the command. I recently upgraded Rust, so probably that's why. Oh man, okay. Walk. Grade one anyway. Although I'm not gonna do anything. Let's just copy every import from here. What is this? Save it, man. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Hmm. We have an AST. It's a model declaration example, blah 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 blah. I mean, this is obviously wrong. So I need to track spans better, but yeah, that's what I want anyway. So okay, so now that we have module, now that we have module, that should be the first thing that we compile. Think about it. So how do I create a module? And basically with context add module, I guess. So uh, oh. Yeah, so clearly it should be here. So I need to okay. So for every module I need to create a context, including modules. Context not set 7 cannot be shared across us. Okay. So creating a module is something I wanna do. Mm, not really any good information anyway. Swift is 100. Okay. Is Swift gets oh it's, on top of base compiler. Oh damn! Why? I wanna know. Mm, interesting. Anyway, so I was here. No, no. Let's just play one album. I don't know what. This song is fine. Oh, I think we'll need to create a new context for every module. I'm not exactly sure. Let's just see LLVM documentation. This is interesting. But I'm just getting. Damn. Modules. Let's just Google it. Is it all we have? Module structure. Interesting. Composed of modules. Each of it transition unit of input program. The module consists of functions, global variables, symbol tables, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, when you add function, you need to add this linkage, but how do we create a module? That's my question. How do we create a module? Is context the whole thing the what module? I guess so. I think so. I think so. Yeah. I think that's. Oh, oh, yeah. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Okay, so you get a module, you create a module. Hmm, what does it have? So right now, my whole compiler is based on the idea that there's only one module. You get me? So we create a context and damn, why do I keep doing this? Just another refactor, bro. Just another refactor. God damn it. So as you can see, this is only based on the idea that there's no one module. So what I need to do is when I do a get function, I need to get module first and then get function. Oh man. Okay. But do we have the module context in during get function? Oh my god. So okay. We add it. Uh, it's an option of module name basically. So let's say if we want to call a function from IO module, let's call it like IO printf. So if this IO does not exist, then we just ignore it and try to get from the current module. But how do we get the current module? We need to add a tracker for current module. Hmm. Just write it down somewhere. So this I'll just like clear it out later. Brand tracker. So what I need to do right now? Uh, so I add module keyword. I did that. That's good. Add you can do module. That's not done yet. But we need to get a function. That's it. So that's around it, I guess. Okay, I'll just be back in some time. Hmm. We're back. Mm. Okay, so self dot context. So how do we implement this swap uh, function basically? So uh, I think should be a separate pass if you ask me, because what we have to do is first just like write it in the text. So we need to walk through the whole directory and find the modules, then build a dependency graph, and then compile them one by one. Hmm, that makes sense. What the fuck? No. Okay. While comparing with typed module, I don't think there's a lot of analysis that we have to do. We need to just make sure that it's not std, it's not main. I guess main module will just like denote by main.ht, I guess. So yeah. So we just need to check if self dot name. So we'll just construct this load module. Yep. So if valid module name is ident and blah blah blah. I guess that's the walk function. Okay, so we need to do something about the type declaration one. Model declaration. Man. So how do we add it in this? We need to refactor the whole thing, I think. Just like add it to the current. Uh, during walk, we okay. So we first parse the. This needs a whole as refactor. Damn, I didn't think this would be this big today. Uh, so I'll make a PR on this so that we can track, I guess. Okay, so we already made this many modifications. That's crazy. WIP, work in progress, add module support, add mod support for module keyword, this done. So, okay, now, nah, this is not done. Okay, so add support for another pass, module resolution pass, compile, obviously this should come first. This I think we can add it even now, not a big deal. Add compile the program through dependency graph. This is fine. Import keywords support, add import function variable support from. Okay, these are not done. Progress. Makes sense, right? So, okay. I need to add a label. Sure. Support add module support. So essentially, I'll just like add a write up, add support for keywords module name for declaring the module and import module name function variable for importing the function variables. Example function lamp. Okay, let's just say that's the function returns a 0. And import IO example clamp. So I should be able to use I should be able to use it like this. It's essentially the idea. So, yep. Okay, so add a parent. Okay, so for this, checks for standard library. I think this is the blocker. Module support is a blocker. Module support. Yep. We'll track this here. I'm kind of tired today, Friday night. We'll continue tomorrow, I think tomorrow morning or night, let's see. This song is kind of fire though, so I want to keep continuous listening to the song. Nah, let's end the stream. See you tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whatever. Whenever I feel like, I guess. So.